If you're suffering from low energy, fatigue, bloating, digestive issues, this might be a sign of Candida overgrowth, and it won't go away by itself. This is a doctor-formulated protocol designed to gently cleanse the Candida out safely and effectively. And we use a couple different products to do that. First, we start with our GI Absorb, and this is designed to gently remove and bind toxins. And then we also have our product called Zymex. This helps to also get rid of the Candida and the yeast and change the pH so that we can have a healthier environment for a healthier microbiome. And then we have Gut Rescue, which is a very potent antimicrobial designed to get rid of those bad pathogenic microbes so that we can get the gut reset. And then we can reseed with Gut Restore, which is an 18-strain probiotic, so we can reseed the gut and get it healthy again. So get started today and reset your gut with the Candida Protocol.